Ever packed your Honda Pilot for a family trip and felt that sinking feeling of running out of space? You start playing a game of real-life Tetris with coolers and suitcases, wishing you had just a few extra cubic feet. That problem, it ends today. You're about to unlock your Pilot's true potential, transforming it into the ultimate gear-hauling machine with the perfect roof rack. Ready to find the right one for your adventure? Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Rhino-Rack Vortex Stealth Bar. This is the top choice for you if you value a clean, integrated, almost factory-like appearance. If you want function without screaming aftermarket, this is your rack. Its most significant feature is its incredibly low-profile design. It hugs the roofline of your Pilot, which not only looks fantastic, but can be a lifesaver for clearing low-hanging branches or fitting into your garage without having to remove it. Rhino-Rack engineered the Vortex bars with aerodynamics in mind. They feature a rubber strip on top called a VGS, or Vortex Generating Strip, which is a fancy way of saying it's designed to drastically cut down on that annoying wind whistle you get with cheaper, less engineered bars. It's made from lightweight aluminum, so it's durable and won't rust. Installation is straightforward on your Pilot's factory side rails, creating a solid and secure base for your gear. With a load capacity of up to 176 pounds, it's more than capable of handling luggage carriers, ski mounts, or a couple of bikes for a weekend getaway. Now, for the one thing to consider. Because it sits so low and sleek, the space between the bar and your roof is tighter. This means some bulky mounting hardware from older accessories might be a snug fit. It's a small trade-off for achieving that seamless low-drag profile, but definitely something you'll want to keep in mind. For that OEM Plus look, check out the Rhino-Rack Stealth Bar using the link in the description. Coming in at number 4 is the undisputed champion of value, the BRIGHTLINES Aero Crossbars. Let's be honest, premium roof racks can be a serious investment. If you're looking for a reliable, quiet, and functional rack that gets the job done without emptying your wallet, this is the one that gets a ton of praise on forums and Amazon. For the fraction of the cost of the big names, you get a set of crossbars that are surprisingly well made. The design mimics the aerodynamic Aero shape of pricier models, and it makes a huge difference. These are not your old, noisy square bars. They slice through the wind effectively, keeping the cabin of your Pilot quiet on the highway. They're constructed from high-grade aluminum, so they're light but strong, and installation is a breeze. They are designed to clamp directly onto the factory side rails of your Pilot with no drilling required. Most people report having them on in under 30 minutes. The load capacity is rated at a very respectable 150 pounds, which is plenty for the vast majority of you carrying cargo boxes, snowboards, or kayaks. So, what's the consideration here? While 150 pounds is a solid rating for most adventures, this rack isn't designed for the extreme end of the spectrum, like a massive hard-shell rooftop tent plus occupants. It's the perfect solution for 90% of your cargo needs, but if you're planning a serious overlanding build, you might want to look at a heavier-duty system. For incredible performance on a budget, the BRIGHTLINES bars are an easy choice. Link, as always, is down below. Now for something completely different. Breaking into our top 3 is the no-low design Cleaver roof rack, a rugged newcomer built for the modern adventurer. This isn't just a set of crossbars, it's a full-on cargo platform, and it's gaining serious traction with owners of the new generation 2023 and newer Honda Pilots. If you want to give your vehicle a tough, off-road ready stance while maximizing utility, you need to see this. The beauty of a platform rack is its unmatched versatility. Instead of being limited to 2 bars, you have a massive flat surface with countless tie-down points. This allows you to mount gear of all shapes and sizes, rooftop tents, recovery boards, spare tires, you name it, and distribute the weight perfectly. The Cleaver is built like a tank from powder-coated aluminum and steel designed to handle the toughest conditions. Its static load capacity, that's when you're parked, is massive, making it the ideal base for a rooftop tent. Plus, it's custom designed for the latest pilot models, ensuring a perfect integrated fit that looks incredible. The point to consider: this rack makes a bold statement. Its aggressive utilitarian design is a core part of its appeal, but it might be overkill if your primary goal is just to transport a couple of bikes. This is a purpose-built system for those of you who plan to seriously use your Pilot for camping and overland-style adventures. It's more of a lifestyle upgrade than a simple accessory. To transform your Pilot into an adventure rig, check out the link for the no-low Cleaver rack in the description. Our runner-up at number 2 is a long-standing titan in the industry, the Yakima JetStream system. Yakima and our number 1 pick are always battling for the top spot, and for good reason. The JetStream is a premium, whisper-quiet, and incredibly versatile system that you will never regret investing in. The Crossbars are the product of extensive wind tunnel testing, resulting in a jet flow teardrop shape that is exceptionally quiet at highway speeds. Seriously, you'll barely know it's there. The bars are crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, offering an excellent balance of high strength and low weight, easily supporting their 165-pound load capacity. But the real strength of Yakima is their ecosystem. The T-track on top of the bar works seamlessly with their massive range of mounts, and their SKS lock system allows you to secure everything, the rack and your gear, with a single key. Paired with the Timberline towers, the system mounts flawlessly to your Pilot's factory rails, providing a rock-solid foundation. It's a polished, well-thought-out system from a brand that has been perfecting its craft for decades. Now, what's the one consideration? The price is a significant step up from budget options, and when you buy Yakima, you're buying into their ecosystem. While it's one of the best out there, it means you'll get the best experience by sticking with their mounts and locks. It's a commitment, but one that pays off in convenience and quality. For a premium system known for its quiet ride and versatility, find the Yakima JetStream linked in the description below. And taking the number 1 spot as the best all-around roof rack for your Honda Pilot is the Thule WingBar Evo. Thule is the benchmark for a reason. They combine cutting-edge engineering, unmatched quality, and user-friendly design into one premium package. The WingBar Evo is the gold standard for aerodynamics. Its design is literally inspired by an aircraft wing, with a tapered shape and a textured surface that manages airflow to create the quietest ride of any crossbar on the market. This rack also boasts the highest load capacity in its class, rated for up to 220 pounds, giving you the ultimate peace of mind when loading up heavy gear. The integrated T-track system makes mounting accessories an absolute dream. You just slide them in and lock them down. It's far superior to clamp-around mounts. Everything about the WingBar Evo feels robust and meticulously engineered, from the high-strength aluminum bars to the easy-to-use Evo clamp-on feet. It's the kind of buy-it-for-life product that will likely outlast your vehicle. So, what's the catch for the number 1 spot? It's simply the price. This is the most premium option on our list, and it carries a premium price tag to match. It's a true investment in top-tier quality and performance. You have to ask yourself if your needs justify the cost. But if you want the absolute best in terms of noise reduction, load capacity, and build quality, the answer is a resounding yes. For the ultimate roof rack system that sets the standard for everyone else, check out the link to the Thule WingBar Evo in the description box. Choosing the right rack unlocks a new level of freedom for you and your Pilot. All the products we talked about today are linked below for you. If this guide helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more essential Honda Pilot accessories reviews.